Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious anchovies fish gravy. It's a very delicious gravy and very healthy too. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for regular updates. So let's get started, friends. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious fish curry. It goes very well with rice or even idli or dosa. So let's see the ingredients. We need some curry leaves. Today I've taken about 1 kg of anchovies, which is well cleaned and washed. We need about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. I've taken about 15 shallots or small onions and crushed it. We need about 10 garlic cloves. We need to crush it and keep it aside. We need about 4 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 4 tomatoes which is finely chopped, 1 lime-sized tamarind. We need to take the coconut milk from 1 coconut, the first and second milk. Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Always use gingerly oil for fish curry, it gives a nice flavor. Now let's add the mustard seeds and the urad dal. And let's also add the fenugreek seeds, about 1 teaspoon. Wait till the urad dal gets nice and golden brown. Now at this stage, let's add the crushed shallots or small onions. Next, let's add the crushed garlic. Now let's add the green chilies, about 4 numbers, which is slit, and stir fry it till all the aroma is well released in the oil. Now let's add the curry leaves and also add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir fry it till the onions and garlic are nice and golden brown. Now at this stage, let's add the chopped tomatoes, about 4 numbers. And keep stir frying till the tomatoes get nice and mushy. Now at this stage, let's add the chili powder. Today I've taken about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Let's also add sufficient salt. And stir fry till the tomatoes get nice and mushy. At this stage, we can add about half a cup of water. This helps the tomatoes to cook quickly without sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now let's add the tamarind pulp. Today I've taken about 1 lime-sized tamarind and extracted the pulp. The tamarind gives a nice flavor to the fish curry. So now you can see that our tomatoes are nice and mushy. At this stage, let's add the second coconut milk, which we have extracted from 1 coconut. Let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, let's add thick milk or the first coconut milk. As soon as we add the thick coconut milk, you can see that our gravy becomes nice and thick. Check the seasoning at this stage. When the gravy comes to a boil, we can add the anchovies that we have washed and kept earlier. Now you can see that our gravy is boiling. Let's add the washed anchovies into the gravy. This fish cooks very fast. It would take about 3 minutes and your fish is done. Now finally check the seasoning once again. So that's it, friends. Our delicious anchovies fish curry is absolutely ready. This goes very well with rice or idli or dosa. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.